Hello, this video is for students enrolled in ECON 2100 and taking the Microsoft Excel certification exam. By now, you would have received an email with instructions and downloadable files. We'll briefly go over the procedure, focusing on step 1, which is the training portion of the certification. As you progress through, you'll receive additional instructions for steps 2 and 3. From a top-down view, there are 3 steps. First is training, which can be done in person or remotely. The second step requires students to pass the practice exam, and the third step is passing the official Excel Specialist MO210 exam. For this video, we're going to focus on the training component of the process. Students who wish to complete training in person will use the link to our website included in the instructions where they can find dates and times of live sessions and register online. These are live only and will not be broadcasted. For those choosing to complete the certification remotely, we'll briefly review the Excel master template file and what's required. To begin, starting with the Start Here page, the user will enter their information. It's imperative that everyone puts in their name, banner ID, course name, and professor name on the sheet and reviews and checks off all the boxes for their honor code. If a student does not complete these steps, we'll send it back and not grade the file. The second sheet is the TOC page. This contains links to every video that you'll cover in the individual chapters. You don't have to launch them from here. It's just your master section. Please note, Mac users have their own Chapter 2 area. Everything else for Mac and Windows is the same. From here, users are expected to go chapter by chapter and complete the related template files associated with the video. So for instance, in Chapter 3, these are the instructions. This is the video, which is a walkthrough and allows users then to mark up the corresponding pages. When you're all done, you'll save and submit the file. As a quick note, when uploading the file, you could follow the link sent in the instructions, which brings you to an MS Forms page. You'll need to fill out the information here, and once you enter enough information, a spot will open up to upload the file. A GBFI will review the submission, and if satisfactory, will move you along to the next stage. A few important notes, comments related to this certification overall. First, we find the best performing students take several practice exams to prepare. When students don't do as well, it's either because they waited too long to start or rushed training and the practice exam. Second, you will only be notified of next steps after you've completed the first one. So for instance, once you've done this file, done all of the instructions on all of the chapters, saved it and uploaded it with all of the formulas, and it's checked over, we'll then give you information on your personal geometrics account and how to redeem your practice exams. After you pass the practice exams, and only then, we'll allow you to sit for the actual exam. Third, there should be no out-of-pocket expenses with this certification. Everything is done through GBFI or the College of Business. Also, for those of you with time accommodations, please note Pearson Certiport has its own criteria. These are separate from WP. There is an FAQ page included with your instruction sheet where you could find a link to apply for time accommodation if this is relevant to you. Finally, you are welcome to take advantage of our different support channels which were included in the instructions. These include tutoring, phone, and email support. We hope you found this useful and wish you luck on your Excel journey.